is Joseph, the Texas Rideshare Guide, coming to you on Saturday, October 27th. Today, I want to talk to you about some news I just saw. Elon Musk saying that he is going to jump into the ride-hailing industry with autonomous cars. The article is from CNBC. It says Tesla obviously plans to take on Uber and Lyft, says CEO Elon Musk. In the self-driving car era, Tesla plans to roll out a ride-hailing service that will compete directly with Uber and Lyft, according to CEO Elon Musk. Musk announced his plans on a third quarter earnings update. Tesla shares soared by more than 12% after the company reported better than expected profits and positive free cash flow for the quarter. On a third quarter earnings call, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said the company obviously plans to jump into ride-hailing in the era of self-driving cars. Tesla will operate its own ride-hailing services and compete directly with Uber and Lyft, obviously, Musk said. Tesla's platform, which is not yet operational, will give customers the ability to offer their car, add or subtract to the fleet at will, Musk said. Tesla plans to run a company owned by a fleet of autonomous vehicles to pick up passengers wherever or whenever there are not enough customer cars to be lent out, he said, comparing this service to the peer-to-peer lodgings business of AirBNB. Tesla, along with the rest of the automotive industry, is racing to develop true self-driving capabilities for its vehicles that will go well beyond the company's current autopilot offering. Today's autopilot is a driver assistance system that can handle some driving tasks, but requires drivers to keep their hands on the wheel at all times. In the second quarter of 2018, Tesla announced that it was developing its own chips to increase the capability of the computer that enables autopilot features in its vehicles. Tesla sells a self-driving option to customers who are willing to pay now and wait, but the option is off menu, not listed on the car company's website. While full service driving tech is still in development, Tesla's new autopilot navigate features will enable drivers to automatically change lanes, handle forks in the road, and take highway exits along a planned route, according to Tesla VP of Engineering Stuart Bowers, who spoke on the third quarter earnings call alongside Musk. Both Uber and Lyft are expected to go public potentially next year. What does that mean for me and you? Well, it means that we need to plan for our future. That means you have to have multiple streams of income. I work for a swimming pool company part-time. I also teach guitar lessons, and I play in several bands. And I do whatever I can to make money. I do private rides. That just means that we need to start planning to have our own private rideshare type company, developing an app, developing your Facebook page, developing your YouTube channel, whatever you can do to bring in multiple streams of income, because at any day, anything could fall apart, anything could go away. Now, we all know that people are going to be a little skeptical about getting into a car without a driver. People are going to be fearful of that. So I don't think our jobs are in jeopardy right now. I think that eventually people will get used to not having a driver in a car. It's kind of futuristic, I guess. Millennials may like that. Old people like me or my parents will never get into a car without a driver. We're just not going to do it. We're old school, and that's just the way that it is. So do I see this on the not too distant future horizon? No. I think it's going to be years and years of development and working out the bugs. But eventually you're going to see no more truckers in 18-wheelers. You're not going to see any more drivers in buses. You're not going to see any more drivers in taxis or rideshare cars. That's just the way it's going to go. Eventually, our cars will be doing the driving, and we won't. We will just be along for the ride. That's just the wave of the future. Might as well go with it and start working out other ways to make income. So if you have any comments, leave them down below. Remember to subscribe down below as well. Hit that red button. And until the next video, I'll talk to you later.